How to send and manage newsletters in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to manage newsletters in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Newsletter, then Newsletter Templates. This is where you can view all the newsletter templates that have been created. Scroll right. Click to create a new template. Enter a name for the template. Enter a subject. Enter the sender's name. Type in the sender's email address. Enter the template content. Scroll right. You can preview the template by clicking this button. The text will show up exactly as it was typed. Go back to the template. When you are finished editing, click Save Template. The new template has been added to the list below. To view the newsletter queue, go to Newsletter and select Newsletter Queue. Any newsletters that are waiting to be sent will show up here. To view all the subscribers, go to Newsletter and click Newsletter Subscribers. This page will show you all the newsletter subscribers and their details. Finally, to view newsletter problem reports, go to Newsletter and select Newsletter Problem Reports. If there are any problems with the newsletters, they will show up here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage newsletters in Magento Commerce.